Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase asset growth with BlackRock step by step clearly. Investing with BlackRock can be a strategic way to enhance your asset growth. Begin by researching BlackRock's investment offerings. Visit their official website to explore various funds and options available. Identify your financial goals and investment objectives. Determine your risk tolerance and investment horizon. Review the asset classes that BlackRock specializes in, such as equities, fixed income, or alternatives. Consider diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes for better risk management. Evaluate BlackRock's performance history to understand how their funds have performed over time. Look into their active versus passive management strategies to find what suits your approach. After gathering information, open an investment account with BlackRock or through a financial advisor. Fund your account by transferring assets from existing accounts or making new contributions. Regularly monitor your investment performance through BlackRock's online tools and resources. Stay informed about market trends and economic indicators that could impact your investments. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to ensure it aligns with your changing financial goals. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to optimize your investment strategy. Take advantage of BlackRock's educational resources and webinars to enhance your investment knowledge. Remember, investing is a long-term commitment. Be patient and allow your investments to grow over time. Adhere to your strategy and adjust only when necessary based on market conditions. Utilize BlackRock's customer service for any questions or assistance along your investment journey. Engage with community forums and discussions for insights from other investors. Continue learning and adapting your strategy as you gain experience in the market. Stay disciplined and focused on your long-term asset growth objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.